Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? It's Mother Eagle here. It's raining outside, cats and dogs. Well, I wanted to check in and say hi. How is everybody doing? I hope you're all on track and doing wonderful things. Well, I have a wonderful topic for you today, and it is will you stay true to your vision even when adversity creeps in? Hi, Felicia. Thanks for joining me. Even when doubt creeps in, will you stay true to your vision? The thing is, vision is the only thing that will help you stay on track in the midst of fear, in the midst of doubt, in the midst of uncertainty, in the midst of anything that will creep in, difficulty. It's that thing that you saw, that vision in your heart that will give you the extra strength to stay on track. Because life as we know it, there'll always be curveballs here and there, but then can you see your vision? Do you see where you're going? Even when the method of getting there changes, will you stay on track? Will you continue building that business you have to build in your heart? Will you complete that course you have to complete to increase your skills? Why did you even start in the first place? Because usually it's that resilience that we build on our way to accomplishing our goals that will make things happen, because you're seeing a vision, but you don't know how you'll get there, and you don't even know how long it will take you to get there. But, as you persist, as you overcome adversity, you will be okay. You will be okay. But keep your eye on the vision. Keep your eye on the why you started the thing you started. Keep your eye on that heart's desire. Because, for example, if you get ill along the way, you may want to give up. Hi, thanks for joining. Tell us where you're from. When you're having a hard time, sometimes you'll want to give up. Or when the results are slow, you're thinking, oh, did I even see right? Why did I start this thing? Is the progress showing up at some point? Well, stay the course. Remember the vision you have in your heart. The circumstances around you do not define where you're going. These are temporary circumstances. So you have to keep your eye on the goal and stay on track. The good news is at some point, that funkiness of fear and doubt, it will leave you. And once it does leave you, you'll be able to quickly get back on your wagon and start implementing and doing the things. Fear will go. You'll have strengthened your persistence muscle, and before you know it, you're back on track. So I guess the whole point of this video is, remember, discouragement may come along the way as you're going towards your vision, but that doesn't mean you stop. It just means you regroup and keep going. And the only thing that will help you get there will be the vision you've built in your heart. Well, as always, this is Mother Eagle. I'll see you in the Facebook group. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.